Welcome, Island family. It's your girl Maria.
And the island boy there.
Welcome, Island tribe.
Yeah, man.
So,
Jamaica. Wow, I got Jamaica.
that's what he wants to do. Go to Jamaica. So, guys, today's a new day. We're just gonna go shopping today. Yeah. Nothing too fancy dancy, but you know, just something to do. Yeah,
man. We're there in Lismore, guys, and yeah.
We were gonna go fishing, but Babe's a bit lazy.
Yeah. So the plan is, guys, what I really want to do, because Island birthday is coming up the end of this month, July 31st. So I want to get him something, guys, that I saw like about a month ago. Remember, babe?
Yeah.
About a month ago, and I want to get him that for his birthday. So yeah, I think it's gonna be interesting when you guys see it, if it's still there. You know, you guys will see it. Right?
Yeah. So join us, guys, and let's go on this shopping day.
Yeah.
Shopping adventure.
You ready?
Ready?
Yeah. Let's
go. Let's go now. We on a roll now.
Let's go now.
Mister with his little hat on. Yeah. I think I'm gonna go toilet first. Yep. So guys, if you can imagine, this is where the floods actually hit all the shops up here.
Yeah, the whole of this place was flooded.
Flooded to the roof. Island, we're gonna go right. Where's right? Yeah. Which way's right? This way or that way?
I love the lightings and everything.
Babe, that's what you need, the balaclava.
What?
To go and steal the mandarins.
Oh.
I've been telling Babe he should go and get, like our neighbour said, come over anytime and get some mandarins. So big up yourself, my neighbour, because your mandarins are so sweet and delicious, aren't they?
They are.
And yeah, anyway.
Sure, loaded too, and them not eat them.
Yeah, loaded, yeah. What are you gonna get?
Toys.
Toy. Hang on, let me focus this thing. Toy.
Yeah.
Dad's just getting a trolley, guys.
Yeah, my head's itchy.
Itchy?
Yes.
Why? Hi? Here comes Papa.
You're welcome. Come.
Good stuff. You happy?
Yeah.
Alright, put your hat on. Are your head itchy still?
Yeah.
Lies. Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Yeah?
yeah. So much.
Yeah, down that way. So guys, Alan likes, you know, these kind of things. And sometimes he comes up to me randomly and he puts a car in, like, not in my mouth, but he's like, here mum, food. So I'm thinking of getting him something like that he can just play with, because I know that he likes that sort of stuff. Keep going, babes. We keep going, we keep going, we keep going. Okay, I know what you want. I heard you. It's okay. Yeah?
Go crazy when him come here, guys. Oh. When him see the toys and everything, he just want everything in my eyes.
Everything. Oh, dinosaur. Another dinosaur?
Yeah.
Another one?
Yeah.
I don't know about that. I'm not sure about that. Oh.
Wow.
Probably need to move bell back because the bell's probably.
Oh yeah. This little blue one here is nice.
It's more like a bigger. You guys, so this is what was a surprise, a bicycle. So I was thinking of getting him a bicycle. I remember the last time I came here, saw one that has a thing on the back where you can like push.
Oh, like to,
Yeah,
yeah.
we're looking at that one too, but I don't see that one now.
Mm.
So yeah, that's the whole idea
The whole idea of
for
it.
his birthday.
Island, look.
So you don't want to get him guys.
Big bike.
And you get the training wheel. Look at this one too. This is ridiculous. It's like a girly. It's like a girly one.
Yeah, it's
Too
a girly
little.
one. Maybe for the girl in future.
Come 1 second, come.
Island,
Alright,
listen.
you
You don't want it?
Yeah.
Not that. That.
Try this first.
No.
Okay. Try it, Bobo.
Island, try this one.
Try. Hey, that's big people's thing.
Yeah, this one's for you. Can you try
Look,
for mommy?
it's perfect. Island, look. Island, that's not for you. Relax yourself. Oh,
Oh, wow.
Panima cry like one woman. Oh, what is now? Yay! Sit down.
Yeah, sit down on it. Here. And put one leg here.
Yay! The other one, yeah.
Push forward. Push forward. Push forward. Push
He,
forward. Good boy.
some practice and you will get it, eh? Hmm?
Yay.
No.
Let me see. Let me see.
No.
He's not liking it, guys, because he was distracted by something else.
No.
But I think it's a perfect. What you guys think?
Perfect fit for him.
It's between this and the one over here,
He
guys.
doesn't get to choose what he wants,
Yeah, true.
unfortunately.
It's between that and something like this, guys. Which this is for 45. So I'm not sure which to choose. And there's another one. No, this one is designed different. So this is it, guys, in a box. So that's what I'm gonna get him for his birthday. Yeah, not gonna open it until his birthday. He's really fussy right now, guys, because he wants something else that, yeah, I'm not getting him that. Yeah, so that he can't always have what he wants, guys. We have to learn that. We're walking around. Babe's looking for something to get him.
Just a little something.
Yeah.
You want this?
Yeah.
Another dinosaur.
Another dinosaur?
What do they call that one?
There's a name on it. Velo.
The trice. It's a triceratops. Whatever that is.
Mommy.
Oh, let's have a look. And then the little kitchen, didn't you say? Mm-hmm. No, hang on. Not everything. You can't have everything, remember? Hey. Relax yourself.
Everything him seem want, guys.
Vegetables. This one?
Yes.
This one?
Yes.
Oh, what is?
Hey. Listen, relax yourself. Relax.
What moves up?
Relax. Oh, the wooden kitchen.
Oh,
This.
Island, you're not gonna have everything. I told you that already.
That's nice.
Yes. Yes, Mom.
Well, Aaron, focus this.
Huh? Really? You want a microwave? Really? You want everything? Oh my gosh, you want everything. There, kitchen.
Oh, down this.
You want a kitchen? You want a cooking for Mum?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
You sure you're going to cook for Mum?
Yeah, hungry.
You're hungry? Okay.
Yeah, look.
So he ended up choosing this.
Yeah,
Vegetables.
plastic kitchen.
It's a plastic kitchen set. You can buy him a wooden one or
Tomato.
this will do.
Yeah.
Reckon?
Yeah, it should do.
That should be good. Okay, let's take that one then. There you go.
That is it, Bobo.
Yeah, let's try.
Yeah.
You can see that you like toys.
Not getting it anytime soon. Not right now until the end of the month.
Really?
Yeah.
Really? He's not getting it until the end of the month?
Birthday surprise.
Oh,
Yeah, that's what the plan is really.
but he's already seen it.
Yeah.
You are a very lucky boy. You know that? You're a very lucky boy. Isn't he, Dad?
Yep. Lots of kids don't have much to play with around the world. So grateful for what you have. They're all bed sheets, prices and things. Hey guys, so I'm thinking I might get like a sneaker, shoes.
What kind of sneakers?
Something simple, not too fancy. Oh, here? Something comfy. Have some nice slippers over there, so too. These are all the colors they have.
Yeah. They've got those ones up there.
These. The 30. There's some different one here. Trying to make up my mind, guys, what to choose.
You look good.
So this is size 11.
Sexy man there.
$20. So let's see.
What's your name?
Me? I don't know.
Where are you from?
Oh, I'm from Cambodia.
Is it a bit big?
No, it actually feels comfy.
Is it big? No? It's comfy?
Yeah, it feels my toe goes pretty much
I
here.
just,
Okay.
Feels
Whatever you
comfy.
feel comfy in, babes.
Feels really light.
Yeah? Oh,
love the-
okay. So
I
you
love
like...
it.
Are they gonna be our tennis shoes?
Yeah, so it's good.
Yeah. Because we bought tennis rackets, remember?
Yeah, man.
We still haven't gone tennis yet, guys. So
yeah, so
put
cute,
your fingers up
Mom.
if you wanna... Fingers up. Thumbs up if you want us to play tennis.
Mom,
Yeah, I'll show you my
Mommy.
skills.
you're so cute.
Show me my skills, hey, boo boo?
You're so cute, Mom.
I'm so cute and you're so beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're gorgeous.
Yeah, by this.
Yeah, you buy this.
Yeah.
Yeah, with what money?
Did he bring it?
Money.
Money.
Because the charger cable.
I'm not working.
Yeah, and Island always messing them up. Yeah, you boy. Swear, everything iPhone, yes sir. Everything iPhone.
Oh, Dada.
It's so cold.
Yeah.
You get warm soon. We're gonna leave here soon.
Okay.
$12.
Those guys. I'll need socks.
Yeah.
Island socks.
Get island socks.
Island socks. Do you need anything?
No.
What are the egg pajamas?
That's wicked.
Undies?
Nah, I'm good.
Sonic, Mom.
You want Sonic?
You want everything. These socks are work socks too.
Yeah, they work.
They look quite warm.
Yeah, them ones here.
I'm thinking. So our work socks, guys. I'll probably get a pair. Oh, it's how many come in it? Oh, it's 3 pairs. Yeah, boy. Yeah.
We're gonna get you socks now, mister.
What?
Seems like socks, we have like a sock thief.
I swear. Yeah.
Or they get holes in them real fast.
Yeah. One thing I haven't seen is the like the
Like a little beret hat.
like the cotton gloves. Or like the cotton gloves that use.
Just check in there in the mail section.
down here. Yeah. Looking for gloves. Nah, I really see anything like that. Let's go.
I'll put the toys back then.
Yeah.
I'll put the toys back then and taking them.
No.
You need a fat belt? That's a nice
No,
belt.
good.
$6. Just casual.
Can't remember last time we wore a belt, you know.
Really?
Yeah. And the thing is that I don't sag my pants, so I just wear the right fit. So that's the good thing about it.
Oh, look out, guys. Look out. Look out.
Yeah, I mean, that's my style that anyway, so yeah, I'm good. I do a sag pants thing.
Started off.
Yeah. Nice rods. What you want?
You already got one. You already got one.
Enough island.
Did you see that fishing game?
Oh really? I didn't see it.
It's up there.
Dada.
Okay.
Come back.
I'm sorry, Dada.
Stand here. Just wait, Thailand. You're not having any more.
What he has to do.
Oh, this
Yeah.
fishing game.
He has to pick them with like a little thing.
Oh, okay. Like pick them
Yeah.
out.
I think that's a good game.
Yeah, looks good.
This
And
Can
then
get
there's
it.
the Happy Dino ones too.
Yeah.
Don't
Can get
touch.
them next time.
Next time, Bobby. Next time.
When I go do everything in a one go.
Bobby, listen, you can't have everything all in one.
Hold on there, marble them here. Right, you know how long I see marble? And some checky them here, you know? Jaja. Mind me of my youthful days. Used to all gamble.
Did you buy? I'm gonna get Bobo some socks, guys.
No.
Why not?
No.
You don't want socks but you want ties. You think that's a life go?
No.
No.
No. That doesn't how life goes, Bobby.
No.
Alright, I think we're good, guys. We're ready to roll.
Yeah, I
Yep.
think so. Get what we needed.
We got what we wanted.
It's a Sunday.
Sunday, relaxed, chill vibe, you know.
Yeah, man. Go and go cook with food a little more. Oh, one thing I was trying to remember. Can we get saltfish here?
We'll have a look again.
At the same Asian place. Yes, gonna do that, guys.
We're
So,
gonna do rundown.
yeah, that's why I thought of it because I have the coconut. So let's see, guys.
Let's
Can
go,
get that.
guys.
Let's pay for these things.
Yeah, of course, they're not for free.
Exactly.
If only.
Walk out here and everything go off. Alarm go off. Jaja. Oh, embarrassing.
Okay, cool. Awesome. Alright guys, so we got what we needed.
Yeah.
Now
Need
we're
everything.
Then dinosaur.
yeah. You got dinosaur. What else did you get?
Dinosaur.
Pretend play kitchen. Yeah.
Happy?
And what did Daddy get?
Kitchen.
No, what did Daddy get you?
Toys.
Daddy get you something else. Where's the guy? Oh, yeah.
You might.
I'll just show the guy. Oh, sorry, just.
There we go.
And then there's that one.
Thank
you. Cheers. All right. Let's go, guys. So, guys, Dad's just going to the car to put some stuff down, and we're going to go do some food shopping now. Look at this. They have to be nice and sweet.
They look good. I'm not gonna lie.
That's why I was like, we're gonna get that one?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. Oh, check out these strawberry guys. And get some strawberries, Island Boy.
Do this.
we can get some corn and pumpkin.
Yeah.
We don't make soup today, we make it tomorrow.
Yeah, true. Okay. Well, this is the organic stuff. So down there.
Is it? That's why they're
So this is,
expensive?
yeah, that's right. This is the organic,
Yeah, they're more expensive.
which is more expensive. Alright, okay. Sorry guys, I'm just waving the camera around like...
And mushroom, like, I never eaten mushroom until I came to Australia. The first time, a couple of times, I never like it, but after a while, when babes cook it and all that, yeah, I like it.
You like it?
Yeah, but I'm still not a big fan of it, but it's nice.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Like olives.
yeah.
Yeah. Oh, Scotch bonnet. Well, similar to Scotch bonnet. The same family.
Oh, I mean,
We should take this one or Carolina Reaper, which is more closer to Scotch bonnet.
yeah, more hot.
Hot. Yeah.
Sometimes it's not even the hotness, it's the flavor we need too.
Yeah, the flavour. So which one? Habanero or Carolina?
Which one do you reckon?
Carolina. Yeah.
Oh, get some time. We have some at the back, but
Yeah,
a
but
different
it's not.
flavor.
It's different brand. Like different. Yeah.
Right.
Do you need scallion as
Yeah,
well?
yeah.
You probably do. I'll grab some. You grab the thyme. You're right. So guys, just grabbing some scallion. Here's the Fambinos over here. Baby, did you get corn?
Yeah. Oh, no,
Yeah.
I didn't pick it up.
He didn't get corn?
I just realized.
You didn't get corn for the corn?
Pumpkin.
Pumpkin. This one, baby.
Yeah.
Get that.
And look how they even sell the corn as
Baby
well.
corn. I love baby corn.
People cook corn like that as well here.
Yeah.
Which in Jamaica you don't see these things.
Yeah.
Like even when I see them cook young breadfruit and stuff, like in Jamaica you don't see them cook young corn. Well, not that I know of anyway.
Yeah. I want to see if they sell the honey macadamias here because they got a bigger selection than in Casino. Just to have a look. Potatoes, babe, scallion. All these nuts, guys. They do have honey, but not the big ones. These ones, guys, they're so nice. If you've ever tried them, they're really good. Very, very good. So
Yeah, the almonds.
these are almonds. Our almonds. Yeah. Okay.
This is just like lines of nuts.
Just nuts everywhere.
There you go, there.
Yeah. I don't know if they have any on that side. They have honey cashew nuts. Alright, cool. There's seafood there, over there. Let's have a look and see what they have.
Salmon is my favorite fish so far in Australia.
Really?
Yeah,
Salmon.
It's the best tasting fish I eaten in Australia.
Yeah.
Yeah, so they have some as well.
There, but there. Oh, salmon there. Why is a lobster $10?
Is it because they're boiled?
They smell funky. Something here smells really funky.
These are not the typical lobster, babe. Look. Look at the ones that have the claw.
They're like,
Canadian raw lobster.
oh
Yeah,
wow.
it has claw on it. Look.
Interesting.
They're different.
You want to take one to try? I don't know.
Can try one.
Up to you. Yeah. Oh, they have barramundi whole fish there.
Okay.
In there. So guys, I'm gonna get Babe some kangaroo. Yeah, you want some kangaroo, Babe? Herbs and garlic, kangaroo.
So the first time I'm seeing that.
Kangabangers. So red, isn't it?
Yeah, the meat is very red, like rich looking.
Yeah, not my cup of tea, guys, but maybe Babe's.
But my original friend from work said they go hunting for it, so yeah, he said maybe one of the time he can take me, so that'd be interesting to see.
Yeah, 100%, why not? You get rice.
Yeah.
No, sippy.
This one?
Yeah.
Alright, for the car, let's go. Shouldn't be eating those things, mister.
No.
I feel like this is bigger than Coles in Casino, would you say? Yeah, I think it seems a bit bigger. We got plenty of seasoning, so we don't need seasoning.
Oh, I need vanilla.
Vanilla, no, you wouldn't find it here in the cake section. Nope, let's zoom straight past that section. The naughty section, because Arlen will cry. Yeah, right there, vanilla. Oh, they're cheap. Yeah. Oh yeah, that one, imitation. Doesn't matter, it still tastes the same.
It works.
It works, it does its thing, so yeah. Oh, I got a day off work tomorrow, yeah. Day off work.
Oh, you say right?
I'll be back. Don't touch anything. Okay. Hold that. Hold it.
Wait a second.
So here we go, guys. We are done for the day. Heading home. Yeah.
So all of that came to like $189.
Yeah, all that shopping.
Alrighty.
And Island got a lolly.
Yeah.
Anyways, guys, I'm gonna pop this in the car now, and we're gonna head off because I don't know what time it is. Oh my gosh, what the hell?
Where are you going, someone?
Put everything away. I'm gonna help Babe. I'm gonna shit on my head or come for food.
Yeah, laugh. How are you, Mama? Eat you.
God, go away.
Go away.
Let's go. Radio Island family.
Yep.
It's been fun to have you guys along with us. It is always a joy. It's never a dull moment. And now we're going to go home. I'm going to go to work soon.
Nope.
And yeah, that is it.
Oh shit, what am I
Let's
doing?
go. Let's go now. Bye.
Bye.
Man, so a little more, you know?
Little more, guys. Little more.
And bless up on yourself.
Bless up. Bye.
Bye.